mine is actually missing a piece here, so that comes out real. Further up, it's really hard to see in there. Turn it doesn't seem to be opening. Replacing. Alright, today's episode's a short detour. We got some troubles with the truck. You can see here, this opens and closes, but when I unlock it, it doesn't work, and when I use the button, it doesn't work. So something in the mechanics in the door here ain't connected, so we're gonna pop it open and see what's going on. See what we got. First thing we gotta take off the electronics. Normally that's a little more involved, but mine is actually missing a piece here, so that comes out real easy. Alright, we got 2 screws here and 1 screw up in here. Next you got clips along the edge. Pop them off. There's 1 more cable right here connected. Depending on how old your vehicle is and how many times it's been opened up, sometimes this splash guard will be gone. Looks like it's still here on this one. I've had this off several times, but the tack is going bad. You can re-tack them if you want. Alright, so here's the problem. This in here is a lock actuator. Moves this up and down. It's connected with control arms to your lock cylinder here, to your handle up here, and this is your handle inside. It's got some electrical stuff that connects. Here's your wiring harness for your locks and all that stuff. Comes to several places. One of the places it goes is right here. The wires for that are right there. So it looks like somehow they've all been pulled out of the harness, so it no longer connects now, and so I'm gonna have to figure out how to splice all those back in, which is gonna be a pain. But the other option is you have to replace this actuator piece back here, which I've already done once. It costs about 150 bucks. So we're gonna try and splice the wires in and see if that fixes our problem.
A few moments later.
Alright, so with as short as the leads were on that cabling, I was worried that even if I got it resoldered, it wasn't going to be able to work. So we got a new door actuator here. The cabling all good to go. And we're going to swap that out. Hook it all up. Should be good to go. Let's see what we can see. In here you have, this is the interior door handle, connects right in there. You have right here a lock cylinder actuator that connects in, and then further up, it's really hard to see in there, is the exterior handle actuator. So all of those little controls have to be disconnected. For reference, 2 of them are these here, and then the last one next in right there. Just got 2 bolts here to remove the window track, so you can pull away from the door actuator. Alright, so there's actually 4. This one here connects to the actual lock pin here. This one here connects interior handle, and then this is these two are the exterior, the door handle and the lock mechanism. So now they're all unconnected, we're gonna take off the torque screws and drop the old one out. Just like that. Out comes the old one. Takes a few minutes to tag around. This here is the track for the window. So I'm going to sling that back down, but we're going to make sure that the cable tracks behind it. This before we bolt it in. That way it's not knocked off again. And we're going to bolt it in and put it back together. Alright, got it all buttoned back up. So, let's check it, see how it works. Lock, down, goes down inside. Locked, unlocked, check the inside. Locks, and unlocks, and it works inside and out. Job all done. There we go.